Copyright Reuters. Oil trades mixed in volatile trade as investors continued to weigh OPEC decision. Investing.com. Oil prices registered mixed signs in volatile mid-morning trade on Monday, as investors continued to from major producers' decision last week to compensate losses in global output by increasing their production. New York traded gained 15 cents, or about 0.1%, to $68.66 a barrel by 10:44 a.m. Eastern Time, 14:44 GMT, having traded in a range of $68.16 to $69.41 throughout the day. Meanwhile, the benchmark for oil prices outside the U.S. traded up $1.51, or 2.0%, to $73.81, still off session lows of $73.59. Monday's volatility followed what had been both barrels' best day since November 2016 on Friday, with gains of 4.6% and 3.4%, respectively, after OPEC and non-OPEC producers agreed on a from next month without announcing a clear target for the output increase. As OPEC explained in the joint press release, its members had exceeded the required level of conformity to the November 30, 2016 agreement to curb production by 1.2 million barrels of oil per day. Having reached 152% compliance in May 2018 on their November 2016 agreement to curb production by 1.2 million barrels per day (BPD), OPEC agreed Friday to strive to drop that compliance to 100%. The cartel noted that there were no specific allocations for individual members, as some countries that did not have spare capacity would be unable to increase output. Saudi Arabia, the de facto leader of OPEC, said on Saturday the move would translate into a nominal output rise of around 1 million barrels of oil per day. OPEC and non-OPEC producers have been curbing output by about 1.8 million barrels of oil per day since January 2017 to prop up oil prices and reduce high global oil stocks. Meanwhile, a slight drop in domestic drilling activity supported the U.S. benchmark. U.S. energy companies last week cut one oil rig, the first reduction in 12 weeks, lowering the total rig count to, Baker Hughes said in its closely followed report on Friday. That put the rig count on track for its smallest monthly gain since declining by 2 rigs in March, with just 3 rigs added so far in June, although the overall level hit a March 2015 high in the previous week. In other energy trading, fell 1.1% $2.0305 a gallon by 10:45 a.m. Eastern Time, 14:45 GMT, while lost 1.4% to $2.0996 a gallon. Lastly, traded down 0.9% to $2.918 per million British thermal units. Disclaimer: Fusion Media would like to remind you that the data contained in this website is not necessarily real-time nor accurate. All CFDs, stocks, indexes, futures, and forex prices are not provided by exchanges but rather by market makers, and so prices may not be accurate and may differ from the actual market price, meaning prices are indicative and not appropriate for trading purposes. Therefore, Fusion Media doesn't bear any responsibility for any trading losses you might incur as a result of using this data. Fusion Media or anyone involved with Fusion Media will not accept any liability for loss or damage as a result of reliance on the information, including data, quotes, charts and buy-sell signals contained within this website. Please be fully informed regarding the risks and costs associated with trading the financial markets. It is one of the riskiest investment forms possible.